Hello everyone, today we are at Keshav Nagar and this is a very premium property and we are at the 3 BHK sample flat of 1047 square feet carpet area. So this is the entrance lobby space and this side is your living cum dining. This side is the living area. Here can be your TV unit setup. And this is the dining space. Attached to it you have the gallery. It is a balcony concept, no odd even concept here, so privacy is fully maintained in this balcony. It is covered from top. And will provide you vertical garden also, just like this. Now opposite to it you have kitchen with L-shaped platform. And will provide you lower cabinets just like this. Also we are providing you water purifier in your kitchen. This side is the dry balcony. Now we'll see the bedrooms. This side is the first bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. It has a balcony. And here you have the common washroom. Now this is the first master bedroom of this flat and the second bedroom of this apartment. It also has a balcony which will be covered from top. So you can see the privacy is fully maintained in this project. This is the attached washroom of this room. And this is the third bedroom and second master bedroom of this flat. This is the attached washroom. So this is a very premium project of Keshav Nagar. It comes under PMC, and for this particular project we are having some good offers for you. Please contact us To know more details, our official number has been mentioned below this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for further updates. We are left with very few inventory. We also have 2 BHK flats in this project. So please contact us as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video.